Verifying your bank account on Simplifi is an essential step to manage your finances effectively. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Simplifi account. Access your Simplifi account by entering your login credentials on the Simplifi website or app. Ensure you are using the correct username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings or Preferences section. This is typically located in the menu or profile area of the application. Step 3. Add your bank account. Look for the option to add a bank account. Enter the required information such as your bank name, account number, and routing number. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid verification issues. Step 4. Confirm your bank account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Complete the verification process. Once you have received the deposit code, return to Simplifi and enter the necessary information to finalize the verification. After submission, you should receive a confirmation that your bank account is successfully verified. By following these steps, you can easily verify your bank account on Simplifi and start managing your finances more effectively.